This will be our warm start and mixed drive video of our 1997 Blu Chiaro Metallic 355 Spider. We're here with our illustrious owner, who's going to warm start her and take us on a tour of the neighborhood. Go ahead, sir. Point out we are on some unbelievably choppy road, and you don't hear a peep out of the chassis or the suspension. Everything is rock solid, completely composed. As we dawdle around the neighborhood, I'll point out that we are indeed up to full operating temp. We were pretty much at 190 when we fired her up. Great oil pressure. Starting to get some oil temp now, you can see. The neighborhood is just full of choppy road. I'm sure you can see it coming at us. All the while, again, hard left. Suspension is completely silent. Let's see what we can do about getting up to some highway speed. Our windows up so we can just enjoy that song. Air is blowing cold. Now we're in 6th, coming up at about 2,800 RPM, coming up onto 70. Air is blowing extremely cold. We will take temp readings with another video. But she is running great. Very happy to Mid-80s Chicago day. Plenty of humidity to go around. Happy as could be. Hope you've enjoyed the video.